In the meantime, the uptick in criminal activities in Manchester has gotten the Prime Minister's attention. While the Manchester police have linked the migration of criminals to the parish to the surge, the Prime Minister spoke on that issue this morning. The event was a social housing handing over ceremony in some Manchester communities, but the crime issue there could not be ignored.
I can't come to the peaceful, beautiful, serene parish of Manchester and not say how concerned I am in recent times of Manchester featuring in the crime statistics.
The most recent was an $8.5 million robbery at the Walks mobile store on Thursday. But according to Head of Operations for the Manchester Police, DSP Colin Johnson, the recent increase has been linked to criminals migrating from other parishes. He pointed to a suspect arrested in a recent operation.
I'm not going to give his name now because I believe he will face some identification parade. As Council has mentioned, he's wanted in St. Catherine North for murder and shooting, and he's also a person of interest in the burial and robbery over in Portmore. So he's not from Manchester.
But in addition to migrating criminals, DSP Johnson pointed to another issue, a shortage of resources. He says several police vehicles are out of service.
We have one working motorcycle, yes, for the traffic from Mandeville. I know we have made some applications for increase of motorcycle for the traffic men, and we have not seen any of it, but we are on the list to be given motorbikes for the traffic persons.
While not being specific, on Friday, Prime Minister Holness responded to the resource shortage.
I've had very long conversations with the Commissioner of Police about this challenge here, and I've been assured that resources have been mobilized to treat with the problem.
The police has also implemented a 48-hour curfew in Old England, Mayday, Richmond, Georges Valley and Newhall in the parish. It will run from 6 p.m. on Friday to 6 p.m. on Sunday, April 16. Mr. Holness has also praised the investigative strength of the police, noting that another suspect in the beryllium robbery has been apprehended.
So I will say to those criminals who feel that they are going to benefit from the robbery, that is not going to be the case. It will become your worst nightmare. The police have been very strategic. They don't always say what they're doing, but I know what they're doing. And they're going to find you one by one. And you will be brought before the justice system of the country. So, you know, as I always say, they're going to get radam.